Now you've set some...
I didn't do that.
Welcome to this live strategy call with one of my clients. Right, you'll be very surprised how this had been stopping her get long-term bookings from her Airbnb account. So guys, I'm really excited. Firstly, welcome to another Grow Your BNB video. If you don't know who I am, my name is Piers. I've been running GrowYourBnb.com to help a lot of short-term rental operators right now in pretty much all over the world. And you know what? This is going to be very exciting. If you're looking to start short-term rental or Airbnb business, I'm going to share you some screen and we'll go through some really deep conversation that I've recognized with our client. And I thought, what a better way to share all of this information.
Oh, perfect. You've set up some 2nd of December, 2021, 3rd of December. There's some, okay. Now you've set some...
I didn't do that.
Really? Okay, let's get this out removed, because it really will block you from being found properly, to be honest. So
now what the client said I didn't do it was to actually say that she's actually got some minimum night stay in her account. Now what that means was it also came back to the client didn't know that she had 28 night minimum stay as of certain date, and believe it or not, it actually runs through all the way down till next year. Now, something I've realized was client, you run Airbnb, like this client's been running Airbnb accounts for like probably 4 or 5 years. The biggest challenge she would have always had was actually going through this, because she's never checked her account. We've gone into the account, we realized quickly that there's some minimum night stay in the back end, and now I'm going to roll the later half of the video where we've just recognized there's so much going on in the account.
The quicker we get all of this out, wow, there is a lot.
I didn't do it.
Okay. Don't know if there's an option to remove all at one go.
Down check-in day, if you say any day of the week, doesn't that get rid of?
No, because remember you've set it up for all different dates of the month. So if I do that for any day for that month, it will be fine for that month. But anything else, like that, by the way, is set up straight away from the Price Lab. Yeah, even if you say me, I can look. I'll change this any day of the week. What that means is only on that day, it's gone to any day of the week. But then the rest is still that.
Well, what I want to do here, guys, is when you're running, and if you've already started operating your service accommodation or Airbnb listing, I'd love you to pause this right now, go into your Airbnb and run through a health check on your Airbnb account right now. The best way is to go into pricing and availability, and there's numbers of things you should be able to go through, and the options of custom length trip stay. There's an option to review that fully, and at the moment, if you're not connected to any price labs or any pricing tools, you should be able to just not have anything there, because if your minimum night stay, look, don't get me wrong, I promote 7 nights or more, but to promote 7 nights or more, you need to back it up with the good branding, which I always talk about. So look, I'm going to show you now that this client not only had that issue, but if I show you how many dates till 2023 she had the options of actually just 28 nights minimum, or 14 and mix of 2-3 nights, it really did screw her calendar. And the main thing is she was not being found on the calendar itself.
It's a lot. Oh wow. Let me see if I can remove it one go. No, I can't.
Well guys, I hope this gave you a lesson about how even after you listed properties, never just rely on OTA to work for you. One of the biggest things we learned from this call between me and the client was we tried our best. We took about 10 minutes to actually go through all the stuff, and we really couldn't find a solution. So really we had to make a phone call to Airbnb, which then Airbnb itself told client that they had to manually delete everything from their account, which means, as a business owner, you don't have time physically to go through all of that, and it really took a lot of time away from our clients and her VA, which luckily she had a VA on her team who was able to go through that. But the reality is, look, do not again rely on OTA settings all the time, and I hope this video gave you an insight of how we work for clients. Our job is only branding. We just only focus on doing branding work. but really we took our time to understand client's account. And as a result of that, you know, we've saved client a whole positioning, and hopefully by the end of this, we should be able to get found properly for her to get booking longer term from Airbnb account. Well guys, thank you so much for watching another Grow Your BNB video. I am going to say you guys one thing, we really enjoy sharing things like this, and I will make sure that the more calls we've recorded with clients and the learning that I can give you from those calls, hopefully I can share it through my channel. Look, we've done so much video in our channel regarding this. Also my client interviews, clients I've worked with over the years, but also importantly, some values that's going to help you either scale your service accommodation or start your service accommodation business. So thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video soon.